Hey, what is up guys, it's the Joe Tree. In this video I'm going to be showing you the Jordan 4 Retro Union Guava Ice, and in this video I'm going to be doing my best at giving you a detailed review. And I'm not a sneaker head by no means. I got two more sneaker reviews coming with the Nike SB Dunk Spartan Green Pro Green colorway, and the other shoe I got the Jordan 3 Fragments, and those videos will be coming soon over the weekend. Let's get right into this review and I hope you enjoy. So the Guava Ice was released recently on August 29th, and this is the second collaboration between Union and Air Jordan. And with this shoe, at first it has been getting criticized heavily, especially with different elements that are added to the shoe, with the first being the non-traditional low tongue. And because the design consists of a non-traditional low tongue, however, you can obviously unstitch the tongue and unfold it to give it that classic look. And for me, I believe that this adds another element to the shoe and gives it more value to other Jordan 4 silhouettes. And as you can see in the shoe, there are different materials consisting of mesh and thick suedes. The colorway that is present on the Jordan 4 Guava Ice, it is more muted tonal colors, especially with the pink, and obviously you have the translucent wings. But also with the Jordan 4, you have muted versions of different colors to give it that vintage aesthetic, especially with the translucent wings. It gives it a more classic feel and also futuristic at the same time. And the sole, it is pretty unique, that has that mustardy yellow. It is perfect for the fall weather. And the interiors and the stitchings, it is pretty seamless, and the thick tongues provides comfort. The Guava Ice consists of a mesh and suede upper, has red and blue that pops at the heel, and on the back you have your classic Nike Air. You got the Union LA tag, and on the sole of the shoe you have the mustard yellow with white and with the Nike sign at the bottom. And the pink on this shoe is just oof, it's so lush. It is nice and muted, and as celebrities start wearing the shoe a lot more, it's gonna get popularized, and the value of this shoe is just gonna keep increasing. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that review of the Jordan 4 Retro Union Guava Ice, and if you did, hit subscribe, like, share, and let me know down below what you thought about the shoe. Alright everybody, stay jiggy, stay classy, and I'll see you later. See ya.